Fix OneNote sync error 0xE40200C4 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Restart your device. Temporary glitches in the OneNote or OneDrive sync process can cause error code 0xE40200C4. A simple restart often clears memory-related issues and re-establishes proper sync connections. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable internet connection can interrupt syncing and cause error 0xE40200C4. Ensuring a stable connection helps OneNote communicate with OneDrive servers. Fix 3. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account. This error may appear if OneNote is using an account different from the one that owns the notebook stored in OneDrive. Ensuring you're signed in with the correct Microsoft account can fix the issue.